Hey guys, welcome back to Honeycomb Manila. My name is Kayo and today we're doing another how-to with Daily Drink Magazine. This is part of our Barista 101 series, but this can also be used for cocktails. You know, it's kind of an all-around trick that you should know and you should learn. We're going to be making some syrups and we're also going to be making some candied citrus peels in the process. It's super exciting. If you're interested, keep watching. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you click the subscribe button. That goes a long way for us and it helps us out a lot. And while you're at it, maybe you can click the thumbs up button, also helps us. And if you have any questions, ask in the comment section down below or send us a DM on Instagram. I am at Kayo. You can also follow at Daily Drink Mag and at Honeycomb Manila, which is this place here, our studio in Double Dragon Plaza. If you want to know what goes on here, you can follow us, and basically we do a lot of this. You know, we do co-working, we work with the other people here, and we make some very good drinks, whether that be on the coffee side or otherwise. Today we're going to be making some syrups, also known as Oleo Saccharums. So Oleo means oil, Saccharum means sugar. So basically what we're making is sugar oil out of the peel of citrus. So what I have today is I have some lime and I have some lemon. When we think of the lemon and the lime, we usually think about what's inside of the lemon and the lime, which is the fruit and the juice. But the truth is that there's actually a lot in the lemon and the lime that we see used in cocktails. Like when you see someone spray a garnish and extract the oils from the peel, those oils are oftentimes thrown away when people are not doing that with the peel. What do we do when we have a lot of citrus and we want to be able to preserve those oils over time? Well, the secret is that we first need to extract them. And how do you do that? That's what we're going to do today, and you'll be surprised how simple it is. So the first step is that we actually went ahead and we peeled all of our citrus. Let's start first with the lemon because we have more of it. So this is lemon peels. We peeled all of it and we're using the lemon for other things. Sometimes we dehydrate the lemons, or sometimes we use the lemons as lemon juice. Right now we need some lemon juice inside of the lab. So we have a lot of peel. This is what we're going to do with it. Ingredients. Well, first you need your lemon peels and you need to know how much of the lemon peels you're using. And then you need sugar. And believe it or not, that's it. So let's go ahead. I have a Tupperware here. I'm going to put it down, tear my scale, and we're going to see exactly how much lemon peel we have here. Okay, so we have 229, about 230 grams of lemon peels. That's 230 grams of lemon peel. Now all we're going to do is we're going to take some sugar and add equal amount sugar. And so that's going to be 230 grams of sugar to our 230 grams of lemon, and that's it. You just need to know how much lemon you have, how much lemon peel you have, and put the same amount of sugar. Now I'm going to spread it out. So that's 230 grams of sugar, 1:1 ratio. All right, now what we're going to do is we're actually just going to seal that up. And we're going to wait 24 hours at room temperature. So hopefully what we'll end up with is about 230 grams of syrup and 230 grams of the same peel. Now that we've done our lemon, now let's do our lime. It's exactly the same recipe, 1:1 ratio. Put in the lime. That's 130 grams of lime, and I'm going to put in 130 grams of sugar. Now, I'm not going to lie, these limes seem a little more dry than what we usually get from the supermarket. So if this doesn't work out so well, you'll know why. And the importance of having very fresh fruit all the time. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to seal up this container and leave it for the next 24 hours. We'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back, And it's been a little bit more than 24 hours. It's actually been about 30 hours now. And this is what it looks like. So what we saw originally as a lot of sugar has now melted down. You can see the liquid in there. Now, why did it take a little bit longer than usual? I think it's the weather, but macerations like this can usually be done in a day, sometimes maybe a little bit more, but we are successful now. It's been about 30 hours, and let's see how well we did. 232 ml. So if you remember my prediction yesterday, that was the exact number that I thought we were gonna get out of it. So what happened here? Well, what we managed to do is that through the process of maceration, we have managed to pull out a lot of the oils that are trapped inside the peel of the lemon and put them into a syrup. As the syrup turned into a liquid, it also released some of the sugar back into the peel. So now we actually have two things. We have our lemon Oleo Saccharum, a lemon sugar syrup, and we have candied lemons that we can use for garnishes. We can drop them into cold brew and use them to adjust our drinks one way or the other. Oleo Saccharum goes really well in cold brew. It goes really well in iced drinks. It also goes really well in gin and tonic, in cocktails if you want to shake it up into your dark and stormy, to give your dark and stormy a little bit of a twist. If you just want to have like a vodka soda with a twist, you can use this, and it's so easy to do. Everybody should be doing it. Now our costs here are the sugar and the lemons. For this we used about, I think it was 120 pesos worth of lemons. It's pretty good. We end up with 230 Oleo Saccharum. We end up with 230 plus grams of lemon peel, and if you look at it, I mean, those are gorgeous. And it took very little effort to do. Now we can put this all in the fridge. Should be shelf stable for at least 3 weeks to a month, but sometimes even longer, because again, this is a lot of sugar, and sugar really acts as a preservative, especially for fruit. So that's our lemon. Let's take a look at our lime. Now if you remember from when I loaded this up, I said that I was not sure how well the limes would do. They look okay. They seem a bit oxidized compared to the candied lemon peel. This is all at room temperature, by the way. And so we'll find out how well it did with a somewhat dry lime. We got 30 grams after our lime peel. It's okay, not great, but we are still able to use these lime peels in the same way as a garnish. Let's give it a taste. I was pretty confident with the flavor of the lemon. Let's find out this lime. Ooh, it is good. A little bitter, but good. Good. This is a usable ingredient, and I think I'm gonna do a video right away to use this ingredient. But you know, using the lime really was just to show that this process can be done for pretty much any citrus. You can do it with lemon, lime, orange, grapefruit. If you want to try calamansi, let me know how that goes. Keep experimenting. If you guys have experience with this, let me know in the comments down below, or if you've tried it out. I'd love to hear back from you. Hit me up on Instagram as well. I'm at Kayo on Instagram. You can follow at Daily Drink Mag on Instagram, and follow at Honeycomb Manila, our studio here in Double Dragon Plaza. I wish you guys good luck. I wish you guys good health. I wish you guys great coffee and great drinks. Peace.